Hello friends, Tanya here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to show you the Sparkle Season stamps and dies. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 17 stamps featuring this large jewel tree that is 2.4 inches by 5 inches and lots of sentiments that you can mix and match to make all kinds of different arranged sentiments for your cards or your other kinds of projects. Here I have stamped, colored, and die cut all of the pieces of this stamp and die set. There are coordinating dies for every single piece of this set, everything about sparkle and shine, wishing you all the treasures of the season. May your holidays sparkle and shine, and 'tis the season to sparkle and shine. We've got all of these jewels. There's individual jewels that die cut. There is a shadow die to mat your tree after you've colored it. Lots of different ways you can use this very versatile stamp set. Here are a couple of samples that I made with this stamp set, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. If you're interested in any of the products you saw on this video today, check that description box below. And as always, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.